Palais Glide, barn dance version. Man starts inside of the line of dance with his left foot. He holds the girl with his right hand. Normally the man's arm would be out. So he takes 3 steps forward kick, 3 walks back kick. Or 1, 2, 3 kick, back, 2, 3 kick. Then he lets go of the girl moves away to the outside of the room, he moves inwards, side, close, side, dig and clap, side, close, side, and back into hold. So from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, kick, 1, 2, 3, kick, side, close, side, clap, side, close, side, in. Now he's facing the girl, side, close, side, dig, side, close, side, dig, 4 waltzes round, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and back into the start position. If he's on the corner of the room, when he makes the waltzes round, he will finish facing a new line of dance. Also doing this dance, you can change partners, so everybody's in pairs making the circle. When you do the side, close, side, clap, the girl will go back to the partner behind and the man will advance to the next girl in front. So he will take the front girl and his partner will take the back man. A surprise for the girl, not knowing who's coming up behind. The girl, again, will start with her arm out, holding the man with her left hand. She will start with her outside foot, the right foot. 1, 2, 3, kick, 1, 2, 3, kick. Away from the man letting go, side, close, side, dig and clap. Side, close, side, face the man in hold. Side, close, side, dig. Side, close, side, dig. Waltzing round, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Back to the start position.